All right. Told you I'd update. I'll start with this. First of all, I did weigh myself. No change at all. 261. Um, I know it's just poor food choices. That's very clear. Poor food choices are just from not being prepared, not bringing my lunch. I also think there's a kind of a mental part of I know I'm only eating for 6 to 7 hours in the day. It's okay if I have blah blah blah. I'm really not going to be consuming that many calories. Um, I think I'm positive that's the only thing I'm missing. I did go meet some friends last night for Monday Night Football. My eating window actually ended up being 9.5 hours yesterday, which also means that I believe my fast is supposed to last until like 2 o'clock today. It's currently 10, so I've got 4 hours to go. Surprisingly, I'm not worried about that. Like I said, timing's been no issue at all. It's time to gain some discipline and eat right. That's the difference. Whether I just, start or break my fast with big salads, I keep hearing that as a big recommendation, balanced dinner. If I just need to not eat carbs, which I've done in the past, I don't really like that. Maybe more balanced, I don't know. I'll figure it out. I'm happy with the timing. Overall, I'm happy with the way I'm feeling. Everything's good there. It's time to buckle down. I got to eat right if I want this to work on the weight loss side of things. Period. That's all I got right now. See you again soon. Out.